Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off profile view on TikTok. So first of all, open TikTok account. Now I'm showing you two methods, so follow my all process carefully. Click on to profile, tap on this icon, setting icon, and now we can easily turn off this option, but some profile not provide this option from here. So tap onto three line at the bottom right corner, settings and privacy. Click on privacy and scroll down. Click on to profile view, and now you can easily turn off this option from here. So that's how you can easily turn off profile view on TikTok. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Liber channel for more video.